In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Firefly in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into polished visuals using Adobe's built-in AI right in your browser. Start by opening Adobe Express in a web browser. From the homepage, look for the Generate with AI section and select Generate Image. This takes you to the workspace where all the creative controls live and where Firefly can turn your words into images. In the prompt box, type what you want to create and be as specific as you can. The more detail you give, the more precise the results. Think in terms of subject, environment, lighting, mood, style, and any defining details. For example, instead of a mountain, try a dramatic snow-capped mountain at sunrise, warm golden light, low clouds, wide-angle perspective. Clarity and context help the model understand your intent, while still leaving room for creative variation. On the left sidebar, choose which model to use. For Firefly-based generation, select Firefly Image, such as Firefly Image 3. This ensures you're using Adobe's Firefly model, which is optimized for creative control and visual quality. If you see multiple versions available, pick the newest for the most refined results. You can optionally upload reference images to guide the output. A style reference suggests how the image should look, things like color palette, texture, and overall vibe. A composition reference guides the arrangement, where the subject sits, how elements are framed, or the general layout. Keep them clear and relevant so Firefly knows what to emphasize. Next, choose a content type like photo or illustration. This choice steers the overall look and helps the model interpret your prompt appropriately. If you're using Firefly, you can also apply the available styles to push the image toward a certain aesthetic, such as cinematic, watercolor, or realistic. Combine content type and styles with your prompt for a strong, consistent direction. Click Generate and give it a moment to process. Firefly will create several options based on your inputs. Processing time can vary slightly depending on the complexity of your prompt. Browse the results and pick one you like. If nothing quite matches your vision, click Generate More to see different versions. Small prompt tweaks or a different style choice can shift the output meaningfully without starting over. When you're ready, download the image to your device or share it directly from Adobe Express. That's it. Clean, simple, and fast. Now you're set to use Firefly in Adobe Express to bring your ideas to life.